The German government is again going to make big amendments into the immigration law. Major changes have been announced for the citizenship and asylum policies. The freshly formed coalition between CDU, CSU, and the SPD has just unveiled a sweeping 144-page agreement outlining their policy roadmap for the next 4 years, including immigration. The change in policy includes the following points. First of all, amendments to the citizenship law. One of the key revisions, a rollback on the so-called turbo naturalization. This fast-tracked 3-year citizenship route for well-integrated immigrants is being scrapped. The standard residency requirement will now return to 5 years, but not all reforms are being rolled back. This means the previous government's improvements, like reducing the general naturalization wait from 8 to 5 years and allowing dual citizenship, are here to stay. Number 2. Citizenship revocation for extremism. In a controversial twist, the coalition is also exploring whether it's legally possible to revoke German citizenship for individuals suspected for extremism or anti-Semitism. However, any such move would only apply to dual nationals, as rendering someone stateless is prohibited under German law. Number 3. Safe countries list to expand. Yes, another significant shift. Germany is expanding its list of safe countries of origin. This means asylum seekers from those countries will likely face rejection unless they can prove individual persecution. Even so, officials say each application will still be reviewed on a case-by-case basis. Number 4. Family reunification on pause. The agreement also suspends family reunification rights for refugees granted subsidiary protection for 2 years. Previously, there was a cap of 1,000 relatives allowed in each month. Now, only rare hardship cases may be considered. Number 5. No more voluntary resettlement. Voluntary resettlement programs, once a lifeline for the most vulnerable refugees, will be discontinued. Children, torture victims, and the medically at risk will no longer be prioritized for relocation to Germany. While local authorities can still consider individual cases, such exceptions will likely become increasingly rare. The government will also expand detention capacity and empower federal police to detain those facing removal, especially if they are considered a flight risk or threat to public safety. Number 6. Stricter border controls. Germany will also tighten its borders further. Those attempting to claim asylum upon entry from another EU country, they'll be turned away. The logic is simple. Asylum seekers are required to apply in the first EU country they enter, and for most, that's not Germany. With these sweeping changes, Germany is clearly shifting its stance on immigration. For some, it's necessary course correction. For others, it's a cause of concern. What do you think? Is Germany taking a bold step towards secure borders or rolling back hard-won rights? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis on global policy shifts.